Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Abby. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this low sleek ponytail, like this really low sleek look on my short natural hair using just this got to be glued spray, which is an amazing method I've absolutely just fallen in love with. I'm trying this for the first time and I hope you guys will find it really useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, now's the time for you to subscribe. Just click the red button and the bell icon and you will see how amazing and quick that is. It's very free. Okay, anyway guys, I hope you guys will enjoy it, so let's just jump right into this video. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna be trying out the got to be spray method. This is my first time trying this on my own, and yeah, I'm just gonna see how this is gonna work. I'm very excited. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part my hair into 3 different parts, and yeah, I'm gonna part my hair into 3 different parts. I'm gonna start from the back because I want it to be this low. I don't want it in the middle, I want it at the back of my head. So I'm gonna cut this part out like that.
Made in Japan, we changing style with the girl system warning. Me and I go waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can.
So because I want it to be a center part, so I don't want it to just go all the way to the back. I want a center part for this. I'm gonna be cutting my hair into 2 parts. My parts may be a bit bad because I'm not the greatest with patterns, but we'll see. I'm just gonna try my best. I'm gonna try as best as possible to get a straight line. It might end up being bad, so don't judge me guys. I'm not the best with patterns.
I ain't a bad man and they want to say I she a bad man, they want to fail. Don't do that, or you can't call me a bonfire. Better than you, me a spitfire.
So yeah, I forgot to mention to you guys that I actually had washed my hair and, you know, just moisturized it, added some hair mask, moisturizer, hair cream, or whatever, just to make it look good. So yeah, if you want to do this, I think you should do this on a clean hair. But yeah, I've part my hair into 3 different parts, the left, the right, and the back side. So I want my hair to stop here. So I decided to do this back. So I'm gonna start with the back. Guys, I hope this actually really works, because I'm gonna be so excited if it works. Just using this will be amazing because I'm tired of filling my hair with gel, edge control, and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna start by just spraying. Okay, I'm gonna start by spraying from here at the back. So I'm gonna be using this hairbrush, which I absolutely love. So, oh, I can feel it already going down. I think this looks good, I guess. But to help it a bit more, I'm gonna be using my hair dryer.
Then they use me to play. Man, I'm vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Counting up these stacks, just trying to make a million. Spitting these bars from deep down within. You already know it's a killing when I'm spitting. If you're a hater, you can see me when you see me. Hold on, me not telling me the hold on. Calm down, me they telling me they calm down. Man down, is a man down. Bad man, them a see me round. When they say it's bad, not the man I tell them it's my life. Man I tell them in the studio, man I vibe in this life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man I vibing all day. Man I use me to play. Original Batman, oh, eh, oh, VQs, on the vibe.
It's VQs.
Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me.
Oh wow, you guys, this is amazing. I'm not even gonna lie, like this was so quick. Whoa, you know what, I'm actually very proud of myself. I'm proud of what I've done, and I'm so glad I found this method, because usually I would use gel and edge control and it's just all icky and sticky and it's just long, takes so much time for the hair to dry and all of that, and all I did was just use this. Oh, by the way, guys, this is not an ad. This is not sponsored at all. This is actually not sponsored at all. I just found this method and I was so happy. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to try this out. So, yeah, the got to be spray and the hair dryer method is just amazing. And it feels so thick. I don't think this is going to go rough in anytime soon if I maintain it well, using a scarf at night. I think this can go for like a week or 2 weeks. This is amazing, you guys. This is amazing. I'm just gonna touch up this one part of the back that I'm just gonna touch up real quick. Ooh, I am loving this. This is money well spent. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So if you have a long enough hair, or your head is like smaller than this, then you can leave it like this and just go around doing your thing, especially this quarantine time when the hair shops are closed. There's nothing like you have to know what to do to your hair. This is a great thing to do. So for really short hair, say you want like a nice ponytail and you just don't know how to do any sewings and stuff, you can get some clip-in hairs. So I have this straight one. It's I don't remember what company it is. This is Janet's, actually. This is Janet Collection hair. I've been using this for a while and it's still good. It's synthetic, but it's still really good. Like, good. And I use this puffy one as well. I have them in different sizes. I have the small one, I have the big one, but I absolutely love the big one. So I'm going to be trying both. So you can decide to go straight and just clip it. So it has like this comb teeth here, as you can see. So you can use that to hold it in and then use this rope to tighten the thing. So now I'm just going to loosen it up just so that I can wear it properly. And yeah, in case you're wondering what I'm staring at a mirror that is in front of me. So my eyes are going to be looking a bit weird as I'm staring. Yep. And then you use the rope to adjust it. Just pull it on so you can stay gripped to your bun. If you do not have like a proper long hair to hold a bun, then I would advise you use extensions just to like tie the hand or braid the hand of your hair if your hair is not long enough. So I'm just gonna find a way to hide this. Keep it there. Oops. There we go. You can also take out a bit of the hair and just wrap it around the head of the ponytail, like so, just so it covers it and gives it like this nice illusion. So the hedge so yeah, just cover it up. If you have a bobby pin, you can use a bobby pin to hold it down. Or you can just stick it in there and secure it properly and you're good to go. And that's it. So yeah, I'm also gonna be trying the bun one, the puffy afro one. I actually love using this for when my hair is right in the middle, but because I just want this low look and I can't find the smaller one of this one, so I've decided to just try this out anyways. So just like the first one, it has 2 combs and a rope for adjustment, and I'm just gonna shook it in like this. I'm gonna shook it in at the back too, like this. And with my rope, I'm just gonna adjust it so it fits, like it grips onto my bun, the small thing that's meant to be a ponytail. Yeah, I just hide the rope somewhere at the back of the hair and we're good to go. Is this your real hair? Could this be my real hair? Could this really be my real hair? Yes, it could. So there you go, guys. That was really easy, really simple. I am absolutely in love with this one. If you do not have a clip-in, you can use extensions. You can use a weave-on and just sew it around. You can use extensions to sort of like, I think I will do a tutorial on that one actually, but I don't think I have any long extensions lying around the house. But you can use any kind of method, any kind of thing for a slick bun ponytail. Just, if you want to dress up to go to the living room or to go to the kitchen or to go to the garden. Considering we're locked down right now, we can't really go out, but who says you can't look good? Who says you cannot dress up and look good? Nobody, But yeah, I'm so happy what I've done. I'm so glad with this, and I hope you guys love this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up as usual. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now will be the time for you to subscribe, because you're watching this video and you're seeing the red button and you're not clicking the red button. I don't know what you're doing, my dear, but please click the red button and click the notification bell as well to know when I get my videos. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.